You're welcome. This is Chinedu from the ICOMATHS series. Today, we'll be looking at how we may solve some problems on factorization. Now, on your screen, we have 3 questions to factorize. We'll begin with the first question, 6x add 9. So I begin on the second half of the screen. I begin by writing out the question out, which is factorize 6x add 9. Now look for the factors, or the biggest factor that can go exactly into 6 and 9, and that's going to be 3. So I'm going to write down 3 out here and open bracket here. So I'm going to think what I will multiply 3 by to give you 6x, and that's going to be 2x. The plus sign, I write the plus sign here. Now, what will I multiply 3 by to give me 9? That's 3, so I write down 3. So this becomes the result of factorizing 6x add 9. Now we move to the second question. We are asked to factorize this, which is x add 20. Again, we need to get the biggest possible factor that can go exactly into 8 and 20. And that will be 4. So I write down 4 and an open bracket. And now, what would I multiply 4 by to give me 8x? Now that will be 2x. I write down the plus sign. And now, what will I multiply 4 by to give me 20? Now that will be 5. So this becomes the result of factorizing 8x plus 20, which will give you exactly this you see on the screen. And now we move to the third question, question C. And now we are asked to factorize this, which is 7x take away 14. So I'm going to write it down here. 7x take away 14. Now, just like I did in the first 2 examples, A and B, I will have to get the highest possible factor that can go exactly into 7 and 14. And that will be 7. So I write down 7 here and an open bracket. Now what will I multiply 7 by to give me 7x? That's going to be x. So I write my minus sign down here. And now what will I multiply 7 by to give me 14? That will be 2. So I write down 2 here and I close it with a bracket. So these are the ways you can solve problems on factorization. Have a great day.